In this video, I am going to show you how to cut a video or audio in Flixier. To begin, open Flixier and load your project. Once your media is on the timeline, you can cut it at any specific point by first moving the playhead to the exact position where you want the cut to happen. After placing the playhead, select the video clip you want to cut and click on the Cut option from the left-hand side of the screen. As soon as you do this, the video will be divided into two separate pieces at the playhead position. This same process works for audio files as well. Simply select the audio clip, click on Cut, and it will be split into two parts. A faster way to cut both video and audio is by using a keyboard shortcut. Move the playhead to the desired position, select the clip you want to cut, and press the S key on your keyboard. This will instantly split the selected clip at that point. If you want to remove a specific portion, you can right-click on that segment and delete it. If you delete a middle section and do not want to leave a gap in your timeline, you can use the Ripple Delete option. Right-click on the clip, choose Ripple Delete, and Flixier will automatically close the gap by moving the remaining clips back into place. This helps keep your timeline clean and organized, and this is how you can cut video or audio in Flixier.